For those who love polenta and cannot do without it, here is the perfect recipe so you can enjoy it even in the springtime. Let's start with the peas. I have to free them from their pods. Of course, as an alternative, you can also use frozen peas, but these fresh ones are better. And let's move on to the asparagus. Remove only the hardest parts and the woody parts. Peel the upper part. And finally separate off the tips. We're going to cut the stalks into discs at an angle. And all that's left are the green onions. Trim them, cut them lengthwise, and into discs, again at that slight angle that we like best. And now I'll move to the stove. A nice splash of oil in a non-stick pan, add the green onions, and brown them for a few minutes. Add the peas, the asparagus stalks, cover with a little bit of water, a good pinch of salt, and let them cook for 10 minutes, while stirring them every so often. In the meantime, I'm going to blanch the asparagus tips in salted boiling water, just for a couple of minutes. The vegetables are ready. Now I can make the polenta, bring the water to the boil, salt it, and while stirring it with a whisk, slowly pour in the instant polenta. This will prevent clumps from forming, but it will be ready in just a few minutes. Leave it soft and creamy, and with the heat off, add the stracchino and mix it well to incorporate it into the polenta and make it stringy. And we can plate up. Add the vegetables, the asparagus tips, thyme leaves, and the final touches, a grind of pepper and a splash of oil to make the dish stand out. And our polenta primavera is ready to be tasted. A real comfort food for spring. Give it a try and let me know.
Bon appétit!